Claire here. In this video, I'm going to share my easy method on how to make an elastic straight bracelet that would not break. The materials I used are my bead board, stone beads, my 1.0 elastic cord, and my scissors. If you don't have a bead board, you can make use of a tape measure to get the correct size of your bracelets. I like to pre-stretch my elastic cord, especially if the holes of my beads are small and if I'm using a 1.0 elastic cord. Step 1. String your beads. I don't have any accessory to add to this design. It's just a very plain design and you can design your bracelet as you desire. I've been making bracelets for 5 years now, and trust me, I know how it feels to make a bracelet that will break as soon as you stretch it. I've tried the popular surgeon knots so many times and it doesn't really been the perfect method for me. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong or not, but here's my method, and this is the method I use to keep my bracelet tight and secure. So it's time to tie my bracelet knots. First, I tie a regular knot. Just hold both ends of the string and put one under the other and just tie. Just a very regular knot. And then I join both ends together and then I tie a single knot. When I'm pulling, I try to make sure that the knot is close to the first knot that I tied and also close to the beads so that the bracelet is tight enough and not loose. Then I pull both strings. I like to pull from all sides so that the knot is very tight. As you can see, I'm pulling the other side and just pulling and pulling. I pull for like about 1 minute so that it's really tight. And then you can cut your excess string. There you have it. Your tight and secure bracelet is ready, and you can rock it and stretch it as much as you like and it won't break.